Hi, welcome to my class. Today's class is about the classification of the living organisms. The living things are classified based on the cell type, cell number, nutrition, and body organization. In biological classification, a domain is the highest taxonomic rank, grouping all forms of life into three categories. They are archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. These domains reflect fundamental differences in cellular structure and genetic makeup, with archaea and bacteria comprising prokaryotes and eukarya encompassing eukaryotes. Under eukarya, protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia are the kingdoms. Eukarya are multicellular, whereas archaea and bacteria are unicellular. This picture shows the Whittaker's five kingdom classification. Here the living organisms have been differentiated based on the cell type, based on with cell wall or without cell wall, based on performance of photosynthesis. This picture shows the characteristic features of the living organisms under the five kingdom classification. Depending on whether cells of the organisms are prokaryotic or eukaryotic, organisms can be classified into two categories. Prokaryotic cells are simple single-celled organisms that lack a membrane-bound nucleus and other internal organelles, while eukaryotic cells are more complex and can be unicellular or multicellular, featuring a membrane-bound nucleus that encloses their DNA and various membrane-bound organelles that compartmentalize cellular functions. If there is only one cell, then it is a unicellular organism. Amoeba is an example of a unicellular organism. Multicellular organisms have many cells which group together to forming specialized tissues. These form a single organism. A unicellular organism, which is the oldest form of life, having evolved about 3.5 billion years ago. In unicellular organism, body is made up of a single cell such as amoeba, paramecium, bacteria and yeast. In multicellular organism, body is made up of numerous cells such as plants and animals. Leuca, the last universal common ancestor. Leuca is the most recent organism from which all life on earth descended. In multicellular organisms, all organisms are systems. These systems with parts work together to help them live, grow, and reproduce. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.